In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable or disable Notion AI in settings. We're keeping this simple and focused, so by the end, you'll know exactly where to go in Notion to manage the AI features for your workspace. This is helpful if you want to turn AI on to speed up writing and brainstorming, or turn it off to reduce distractions or control usage. First, go to Notion. You can open Notion in your web browser or launch the desktop app. Both work the same for this walkthrough. Make sure you're signed in and looking at the correct workspace, especially if you're part of multiple teams. If content isn't loading or things look different, refresh the page or confirm you're on the latest version of the app so the settings appear as expected. Next, head to Settings and open the General section. You'll find Settings by clicking your workspace name in the left sidebar and choosing Settings and Members. On some layouts, there's also a small gear icon you can click to get there. Once the settings panel opens, select General. This is where Notion groups core workspace preferences, including access to AI. If your plan includes the Notion AI add-on, or if your workspace is on a trial that includes AI, you'll see an AI section here. From there, you can enable or disable AI with a simple toggle. Turning it on brings back tools like the Writing Assistant, help with summarizing, translating, and generating content. Turning it off hides those features across the workspace, which can help teams that want a more manual workflow or need stricter controls. Keep in mind that availability can depend on your plan and permissions. If you don't see the AI section, it usually means the AI add-on isn't active for your workspace, or your account doesn't have permission to manage billing level settings. In that case, an admin or billing owner would typically control access. Also note that changes here affect the whole workspace, so teammates will see the impact right away. That's it. Done. Once you've adjusted the toggle, Notion applies the change immediately. When AI is enabled, you'll notice prompts and AI tools appear where you write. When it's disabled, those options won't show up, keeping the interface clean and focused. You can return to Settings and General anytime to revisit this choice as your needs evolve. Thanks for following along. If you found this helpful, keep this quick path in mind. Open Notion, go to Settings, then General, and manage AI from there. It's a small action that gives you clear control over how you and your team work in Notion.